I'm going to show you how to make a simplified coq au vin. It's a super delicious, rich, high-protein French chicken stew. One of the things that gives this recipe a lot of flavour is the smoked bacon. So we're going to remove the fat from that to keep the calories down and then chop it up. Melt some butter in a large pan on a reasonably high heat, and we're going to brown the chicken thigh fillets and get some nice colour on them. They don't need to be fully cooked through at this stage. That will happen when we add in the sauce. We just want to get some colour and create some flavour. Once you've given them a couple of minutes, remove from the pan and set aside. Pop the heat down a little bit to medium and add in that smoked bacon, and then you're going to fry that for a couple of minutes until it starts to crisp up. We're then going to add in our mushrooms and whole shallots and give them a couple of minutes to just get them some colour, and then add in your 15 grams, that's about 3 cloves of chopped up garlic. We're going to stir in some flour to help thicken things, and we do this before we add in the liquid just to stop it clumping when you put any hot liquid into it. So just add the flour, just give it 10 seconds or so just to mix it all through. Add in your red wine and keep the heat on high. Reduce the red wine by about a third. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. This just burns off a lot of the alcohol. Then add in your chicken stock and tomato puree. Give all that a good mix through. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Then you're going to add the chicken back into the mixture. Make sure that is all nicely covered, and then for herbs we're going to use some thyme and rosemary. If you don't have fresh, you can use like a teaspoon each of dried. Pop the lid on it, reduce the heat down and give that about 45 to 60 minutes. The result is this beautiful, thick, rich stew that goes really well with crusty bread, potatoes or rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe and a load of others, you can get it inside my brand new high protein recipe book. If you click the link in the description, you can get your copy. See ya!